Plot on the chart, I'm patient. I wait by the week, don't chase it. You see that pushing, you praise it. I see that same move, break faces. They by the top, I'm okay. I let it run and I know she turn back fast when the crowd lean. That's when the real ones come clean. Little more south than it hits. One clean touch and it ships. They thought it was gone, but it isn't. One swing and the whole thing flips. Pressure builds, then it fades. Fake momentum gets played. One more test on the tape, and the trap snaps away. 786 pays to play. 786 stand out the way. They leaning hard and it turns. Real ones know what that hurts. 786 pays to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. Golden pockets list out a few miles. Now the same old crowd goes silent. They were loud when the candles went wild. Now they stuck in the wrong alignment. I saw the trap in the structure, saw the rush in the rupture. You can keep that momentum talk. I'm on the edge where the flux starts. Hitting the pullback, perfect. One more tap and it works. Yes, they all piled in as service. Then the train got nervous. Pressure builds, then it fades. Fake momentum gets played. One more test on the tape, then the trap snaps away. 786 pays to play. 786 stand out the way. They leaning hard, then it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 pays to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. I don't need hype, I need proof. One sharp move, one clean truth. If it don't hold, I don't flinch. If it does, I'm in that inch. South side, wake up, then reverse. Every overconfident curse. I don't run with the herd. I let the market say the word. 786 pays to play. 786 stand out the way. They leaning hard, then it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 pays to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return.
Pressure from my father and my mother. Say that I'm a failure and I can't recover. But how many more times will I hear him say this? And how many more times will I have to say it? The world is changing, and it's not about how hard you can work, but rather how much risk you can manage. And the quicker you learn, the quicker you'll be up on your feet. The quicker you'll be up on your feet. I don't wanna be basic, I want a life that's amazing. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. I was the guy that said you can do it, I never did.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
No fucking problem. I was saying, this is today, July the 3rd. This is another London session. This is London Highs. I'm Luca. Gonna stay the last... Yeah, we should be good. We should be good everywhere. Chat. No. I wasn't trolling M2. It was a little tech issue, but instantly solved. Couple of minutes before London will be open. We're gonna patiently wait. Today is an altered day, so I don't think we're gonna see anything spectacular. We had a huge pump during the night, during my night at least. I don't even know what happened, if we had some kind of news or whatever. I don't give a fuck right now. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Leon. Good morning, Danny. Slicks, Shane. Everyone who's in here. Thank you, Sick. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. Thank you, Kieran Wolf, for the shout out on YouTube. Yeah, guys, let's get started with the likes on YouTube, so I don't have to repeat myself like 760 times during the day. Today can be an interesting day on the charts. We should have like not so many orders being traded, being a bank holiday, but we'll see. Habibi, like totally fine. Nice one, Slicks. Nice one. Yeah, Bookmap will give you... Oh, give me 10 seconds. Give me just 10 seconds. We are on one of my fib. Possibly we're gonna bounce on the upside. I would like to see a little bit of retracement on this thing. Just waiting. Not enough orders on Bookmap to get me interested. Maybe now on the break of 50. This is a nice 4-bar, 3-bar. We can, if this candle can push above 47, I will take this. Being aware that this is the opening volume, so we can have like the manipulation candle, but you know what, guys? I'm gonna wait again 5 more seconds, just because this candle doesn't have a bottom wick. I'm waiting for that. Let's see if we can have a little touch at 41. This could be it. Okay, I mean, within the longs, entry is 48, and the stop is really close. Is 31. I would put it at 29, just to have the 30 mark covered. We can have the next is exactly what I call an anticipation trade. This candle can flip and dump to 30. Just want to bank on the opening volume. Let's see if we have a push. I can see order at around 72 on Bookmap. So that this is what we're trying to do. Risking only 5 micros on this for like 20-ish point. Again, entry is 49 and stop loss is 29. So we're gonna see if this level will hold. If it doesn't hold, this is gonna be an instant stop loss. So just gonna wait. If we have some sort of reaction as we are having right now around this level, as soon as we flip, I'm gonna scale in on this one. Let's see. We are going right now against the little trend that started one hour ago. I would just want to see price holding above this price, not closing below, and having this one as my last safety net. Just give me a sec. Let's see if we can hold this fib and just straight up go to again London high. For rejection, I'm liking the fact that we are not going below the fib. We are actually staying on the line. We need a full distribution on the upside now. How are you? Are still not smiling, Brian? My man, like when I start, I'm so focused that like I don't even think about smiling, my man. I'm sorry, Clyde, but I'm happy. I'm totally fine. I woke up like an hour ago, had a shower, had breakfast, so totally fucking fine. What way do I full port? Bluesy. Oh, you asked that 1 minute before opening. That's fine. That's right. No volume. Actually, no volume. This is only 5 points, and it seems like I'm in 50 points worth of drawdown. So we're just gonna wait and being aware that our stop loss is only 10 points away. So we're risking actually nothing to gain a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, right, Slicks, right. Oh, Mr. The God on YouTube, Asia whipped me out to 1 tick when I slept. I was in a long. I feel you, my man. I feel you. I feel you. So this is the reaction that I wanted on the fib. Actually, the reaction. We had. I don't want this candle to wick out. If this candle will wick out on the downside, we are cooked. We need a strong closure above the fib for sure. Oh my God, we're flipping. We need a strong closure above the fib for sure, and approaching 50 now. That candle closed in the worst way possible. I mean, it closed above the fib, and that's nice. But yeah, that's why candlestick analysis is really important. Is one key skill that you should learn. It will tell you, like, you would feel like if a candle is doing what it should do or not. Stop loss is always 29.25, so we're still in, but again, not liking it. This candle needs to completely flip and close above the fib in order to stay alive. If not, we are stopped on the first one. Max did a brilliant candlestick session at Blitz. It did, and I advise you guys still in on this one for a couple of points. I advise anyone. This was a nice 3-bar on the downside. We're cooked. Max did a really insight, and like he gave away so much shit, so much sauce, not so much shit for free during the Blitz, that if you didn't see the event live, there's the YouTube VOD. Go check that out, guys, because it's one of the, like, for free. It's crazy. For free, it's crazy. I'm stopped here. I'm stopped here on this week. We're gonna manage the price now, and as I was telling you guys, I'm down $200 right now on 5 accounts. So don't do this because I'm gonna get so mad. I'm gonna get so fucking mad. Like, my stop loss, as I was telling you, was 29.5. The bottom wick is 29.5 at the dot. Don't do that, please. Don't make me full port on a Friday. Like, we don't need to full port on a Friday, you know? I got accounts. These accounts are like $800 away from passing after blowing all my shit on Monday. We don't need to full port on a Friday. Look at that bounce. Man, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. I'm gonna be so fucking mad. So fucking mad. Like, oh my god, 20-point stick. I'm gonna, like, if I can, I'm gonna retake this. If I can't, I'm just gonna watch it. I got Swift, exactly. There's gonna be another chance for us. Just need to wait. Even more, it bounced off, and like there's nothing on my chart. Also on bookmap, no levels, no shit. It was just to take me out. That's fine. What I want to see now, I want to see a candle that will retrace a little bit and pulling back a little bit, at least 43, 42. Maybe a weekend flip, or the next candle 3-barring up. This is a weekend flip, over 50. I'm liking this again. I'm liking this again. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. 18 seconds for this candle to close. I'm still waiting, but I'm really interested. I really would like a touch of that MVG, a feel of that MVG before clicking the button. I don't really like to leave it behind. You know what, guys? We're gonna try it again. Waiting a couple of more seconds. If this candle can push and make a higher high, I'm joining the party on this 3-bar. The only thing that I'm not liking taking this long is that we have that little MVG on the last candle. Oh my god, if this candle can flip like this, feel the MVG, maybe touch the fib, reflip back up, flip back up now, reflip, and I'm taking the longs. If not, like, I'm still ready with the fucking mouse. Just flip back up. Just flip back up. If not, I'm completely skipping this this area. Give me a sec. We are back again at when we had this. I'm gonna show that to you. So on my chart, on this pump, we had these guys putting a lot of orders, a lot of buying orders that actually push the price. But now that we are again on this area, we should have another pump. They should defend this level. We got 20 contracts at 920. I can see price going back down. That's why you wait. That's why I want confirmation on the break. That's why I don't re-jump back, even if it strat 6 me at the tick, because this is a fucking strat 6 at the fucking tick. I will wait and even with a worse entry than the first one, even, but like, I don't want to get fucked twice in a row by the same guy in the same place. What the hell? I was looking for a buy, any, but clearly it doesn't. It didn't play out. I got stopped on this one, so now I'm just waiting for a clear direction. If we're not gonna have it, we're just gonna watch the price. I don't want to get fucked once by any guy. Yeah, Bobby, that's another clear advice that we can give out. We don't need to trade today if nothing presents itself. That's right. That's right. And you see on each and every move, like what we can see. On each and every impulse move, we're having an MVG. Push MVG, push MVG, 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 MVG. What the price is telling us that there are not enough orders on the book to be filled, so the price will jump and actually leave voids in the fucking price. Hi, Pauline. I haven't seen you. I haven't seen you. So reaction of the D1. Oh, we are overextended. A little bit. This fucking Asia session is messing with the London range. Yeah, Spoon, that's crazy. Keep your shit intact, dance if you've never been fucked. Yeah, I read your message. No, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, Pauline. How come we don't really see MVG on MNQ? Man, there's an MVG on this candle between also and MNQ. Like I don't analyze MNQ. I make I chart on NQ. I'm just gonna wait, guys. I wanna see a clear fucking trend forming, and if I'm jumping in shorts, I need to see a clear break on a level and no retracement and shit like that. So, what is an MVG? That's a nice question, Annie. And let's say that is it's a gap in the it's the max value gap. It's a gap in the price. Got so much shit in the MOT, and MVG is one of that. It's one of those. Did it react on the 50% of the 737 candle? Yeah, it possibly did. Full port Fridays, that just took me out, and yeah, it's annoying when the shit takes you out and then start. I'm okay with I'm okay with every stop that I take. Even more with this one, I was unsure. Literally, if putting the stop at 29.50 or a little bit below 26, just to respect the P2P zero level. Decided to put at 29, at 26 I would have been stopped the same way, so fine. Oh my god, cocaine. We need to... Good fucking morning, cocaine. Good fucking morning. Why, Pauline? Why? 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 Now I'm gonna... Chat, we need Pauline up on stage now. because you needed $80, and now I need you up on stage. You can't, or you don't want. Because if you can't, that's fine. If you don't want, you're gonna come up on stage. Okay, you can't. Fine. Were they funded? My God, the price action. $80 to funded. Like, you know the shit, Pauline. Like, there's nothing that I can say to you. Like, there's no such a thing that I can say. Fine. I can say that, like, you know everything. I'm sorry, I was distracted by a message. You know everything about this shit. You know this shit probably better than me. And you've been through all the phases, and you know that if there's something. Yeah, I'm getting interested. I'm sorry, I'm getting interested in the longs again. We are above POC, and again 3-barring one on my level. Do I want to try it again? No, I can't. I can't MVG, and then like this candle is looking like us. Yeah. Yes, I shouldn't even trade it today. Conditions were not right, so that reflected on my risk management. It's always like that, Colin. It's always like that. Always. There is another guy from MOT that texted me last night saying I was up almost 2K on the fundeds. No need to trade them anymore, but you know what? I didn't have consistency on them, so decided to trade, lost the first 500, DCA'd, minus 4K on the fundeds and blew all the shit. Why? Because he has to deal with so much stuff and so much shit that's outside of, like, out of this black void with lines and candles. Nothing that has to do with trading and with all this shit. But as we always say, trading is a magnifier, is a catalyst. Guys, I'm about to take this one again. As soon as we break 50, I mean again. Again, another MVG, I'm not giving a fuck. I mean, it slipped me so much. Entry is 53. I mean, with 5 micros again, stop loss is down there. And first stream would be 67 on this, I would say, yeah, 67, 66 on this eye. I'm sorry, Pauline, I'm sorry, but I want this break. I fucking want this break. Don't weaken me. I can see why you might weak. I can see why you might weak, but you got only 10 seconds to weak, so don't do crazy shit. Continue to pump. Don't fucking weak me out. Continue to pump, and we're good. Just continue this fucking W, and we're fucking good. Just continue. Don't retrace. Don't pull back. No fucking shit below the fib. Just continue your shit. That was the 3-bar coming out the fib, and a little weak. This candle closed really good. This MVG is really bothering me right now. Fine. This one even more. Fine. I just want to see the fucking pump. Yes, he's doing the same fucking shit. Oh my god, he's waking out. Yes, it's looking really not good. I just want to see this pumping. Come on. Just full full transparency. This is my entry again, wicking out towards the MVG. This is the second time I'm gonna take. This is the second try on this one. If it doesn't go good, I'm just gonna disregard all this area for the whole London session. My God, it's re-wicking again. Crazy work. You need some ashwagandha pills, my man. Like before trading, while trading. Yeah, you're right, Kara. Orb range, 28 points volume. Yeah, it is in reality like today. Okay, we feel the MVG. Now, if we can manage to stay above the fib, we are good. If not, we are fucked again. Yes, but like in days like this, oh my God, we are accelerating on the downside because yes, just shit is bad, and now he's looking towards through the open London low. We got divergence, so the first candle that has a little bit of volume will drive both of the indexes. I don't think, really don't think, even if right now I'm in the long and only 6 points in drawdown, we need this candle to really pop. Like we need this candle to really do the job. If not, like shorts on ES are looking so juicy. We just touched Asia low. Let's see if we grabbed enough orders down there to push. Look at the divergence between the two charts. We are trending down, not even contesting the highs, while NQ is trying to crush these levels. Really bad environment to trade. I'm regretting to have entered here. I was disregarding a little bit too much ES. This trade, I was thinking that it was B+, but it's B, if not B-, as a trade by itself. That's why we're not having now that we broke everything and closed the W on the neckline. That's why we're not having the reaction. ES is fighting for his fucking life. We are in profit on this trade right now. Not gonna close, not gonna do shit. I'm just gonna play my levels. The first stream I said that would have been 67 or 66. We were 5 points away from the first stream. Just gonna stay calm and play it accordingly. We need a push on ES2. Bookmap is looking great. We have a huge level on 67 that we should tap at least. What I want to see as soon as we tap 67, wait, I'm gonna screenshot and put it on my fucking chart. This is the level at around 67 that I want to touch. If we go to that level, just like that, if we go to that level and those orders get mitigated, we're gonna see another push on the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Like perfect retrace on the fib. This is what I want to see. Yes, just go up there. Just go up there. Just go up there. 5 points off the first stream. Even less. 4 points off the first stream. I need to see those orders getting tapped. I need to see those orders getting tapped. Gonna hold this one. Clyde, if I start talking Italian, it's the end of everything. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What is that? That is 64. 3 points more, come on. A little pop on this one. Little pop on this one. Little pop on this one, come on. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Just do it. Just do it, come on, 3 points off. 3 points off. Just 3 points off. Orders are still there on Bookmap. That's what that's why I'm not touching anything. We had a little injection of contracts at 58. If we touch that level, be aware that we can crawl back down. 63, 64. Come on, come on. Give me 67. Give me 67. Give me 67. My man, My man. Like, TP1, all cons in profit now. And we're just gonna roll. Now we're just gonna roll. We need to roll. So we mitigated all the orders on bookmap. No reaction on the downside. Still, that's the reaction on the downside. I wasn't even able to say it. And we're gonna have our stop at in profit. It's gonna be 54.50. I'm taking now. Next stream is up here. Is 79 or around 80, and then we're gonna play only the fibs. So let's wait. Let's see if we can have the extension on this trade, and we good. And we good. Glad I finally got to experience Luca is in his natural habitat. See you guys in the morning. Kane, see you. See you. So finally, we respected the fib. One thing that I can do, but it's like gifting the chart 10 points. ES hasn't moved. We have this huge divergence now. That's why I want to take my stop at 54 in profit. One thing that I wanted to do, again, was bringing back my stop at 39, 38 below the fib, because I know that we can have the reaction that will take me out above 50, and it's pretty clear. That's why I was complaining about those 3-4 points of, my God, it's about to take me out in profit. Couple of points. 54.50 is my stop. Just above this candle. It's gonna take me out on this one probably, but it's fine. It's fine. If I had a better entry, like if price didn't do this shit, if it was the first trade, stop loss would have been still below the fib, as I was saying, and we have that safety net that can save us. If it takes me out, and again, it just takes me out, I can look for a re-entry on this one. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, yes, it's shitting the bed again. Let's go, Ramon. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Like, you're positive. Let's fucking go. You're positive on this shit. Let's go again. Again. We got a huge level also above 90. We need to push above. We need to push above. Done tonight, happy for. Oh yes, about that, about July the 4th. We got a huge sale, guys. This is gonna be the biggest sale in of the year in the whole MOT. Give me a second. Gonna give you the discount rates for indicators. I don't know that, Blue. I don't know that. I don't know that. But I know for a fact that we're doing a massive sale on indicators, courses, maybe also 101s. I don't remember that, but we have I'm out on this candle. I'm out on this one. Let's see the next one. Yeah, huge rejection, and it's nice to get out. We can. Oh my God, huge divergence. I'm gonna wait for the next one. That's it. Thank you, Atina. Thank you, Pauline. So. What's the What's the sale? Yeah, 40% of indicators, 20% of courses, and the CSO battalion, the Logan's course is 50% off, and that's crazy. The only thing that is not included is the Avis new course. Exactly, Pauline. That's what I was saying. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, Jacob, basically this week, past 2 weeks, short of 67, let's go, Ramon. Let's go. Yeah, 67 was the level we had to reach on bookmap and see if we were about to retrace or push back up. We are still above the POC, and I still see orders up above. If we can manage, we're gonna do something that I don't usually do. If we can manage to actually hold above this, I'm getting in again, targeting orders at 90 and shit like that. Oh, it's a London high. That's why we got orders. Wait. I was seeing, look at this shit. Look how all the shit that you do will align. So of course I got London high on my chart, and as you know, I'm looking at bookmap, and out of the blue, I see that are around between 29,890 and 95. I got 52 cons. What I can see that at 88, so here I got a huge level on my chart. Everything will be aligning. I know for a fact that this will be a huge reaction level. I don't know if we're gonna have continuation or rejection. I know that people, algos, traders in general are interested on trading the price at 88, 90, 92. I also had previous IFG that 66. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Ramon. Like, all of the strategies that we use and like in the MOT, it's crazy how they will align. Everything will align on one point. It's not the first time that I talk with Javi or Logan. Also, of course, Lama with the fibs and shit. And like we got levels 3 points apart, 2 points away, 1 point away from one on the other. Yeah, Ceylon courses, yes, Megiddo. They do. They fucking do. They fucking do. Bitches that the 3000 USD randomly from my fund. You got screenshot, Jacob? Like if you have the trading history and the shit. Oh my god, this is the volume. Oh my god, what the fuck happened? It also triggered. I got an order. I had an order at 67, and I got triggered in. Let's see how. Like exactly 67. Oh, I'm not liking this. I'm in at 67. And now I gotta manage this fucking position. Again, screenshot for you guys on the Discord. Let's see, I'm gonna hold this. Stop loss is 42, I got 25 points of stop. That's fine. You can see that, Clyde, you can see that from my screenshot. If a position on my screenshot doesn't have a minus before that number, it's a buy. If you got a minus, it's a short. So I had this fucking, as I was telling before, 3 minutes or 4 minutes ago, I was about, like I was telling you, if we can close, if we can have a strong closure above 67 and shit, I'm gonna take this because I want to target 92, and didn't watch well charts from that moment, and I had that order at 67, and it got executed on that week. So now I'm gonna bear with my order. I'm fine. I'm with Evals, and we are positive, so it's not a problem, but not something that I was looking to do. Goodbye, Ramon. Goodbye. See you tomorrow if you're gonna be here. If not, see you on Monday. Which courses and indicators would you all recommend for a new guy? Antoine, the first thing that I would recommend for a new guy is eat, consume each and every piece of free stuff that we have. You're gonna see, and you're gonna like find so many and so much free stuff, so many videos. Free one. First thing that I would suggest you is to get the basics of market structure, of candlestick. You know what is a trend, what is a range. If you don't know, like if you lack all those kind of concepts, go with those. Get the basics again. Don't buy any fucking account. Don't put money on the line. Don't risk anything before you know what you're doing. If you got money and you just want to spend them, just spend them. You know, everyone is different, but by experience, I would tell you, there is like the learning curve at the beginning is like everything would seem so easy. Like this is so easy. This is so easy. If you have like somewhat of the beginner luck and whatever, you can get like you will understand all of this in the worst possible way. So get the free stuff at first. See what you like. Understand what you're gonna like. Understand, are you a scalper? Are you an intraday trader? Are you okay with holding your losses for a little bit because that strategy is yours? It's like a lot of stuff, a lot of questions that you're gonna have. But before having a solution answer to those questions, you need some nice basics. Yeah, you need to understand like the environment and the industry you're in right now, all the little differences, like how one thing is the theory, another thing is the practice, and all of that shit. All of that shit. If you stick around, like if you just follow the live sessions with you know, not only London, but we got, of course, morning session with Max and Lama, we got with the New York, so we got power hour, we got happy hour, we got trading wheels just after the morning show. It's gonna be at around, is it 12 a.m.? Is it at noon? Yeah, at noon New York time. And like with the mods and people in the chat, that they will actually answer each and every question that you have, even the most basic, the most elementary question that you can ask. Like that show is there, not AM, is that PM? Yeah, I'm sorry, at noon, anyway, at noon. Yeah, this is the right place in which you should thrive and build your basics. Since today is bank holiday, do we expect some shitty PA? Of course, of course. You will see that moves are not sustained. You will see many pullbacks. You will see a trend that should have gone, that it's actually budging a little bit. You will see the divergence between, you know, correlated assets being stronger today. Because maybe, like right now, NQ is top side of this range. Of course, it's dumping, but it's top side of this range, while ES is straight dumping. is about to make a lower low. NQ is fighting for his life just to stay above this set of fibs that NQ completely smashed. There will be tall candles. There will be. Full rejection. This is looking like an M. Oh, but I got the position. Oh my god! I'm like, this trade is not even. Wait, let me. Yeah, I'm still in. This trade is not even on my mind. Will the New York session also be choppy like you described? For sure, we're gonna have less orders. So I don't know. Like, you gotta understand that being choppy doesn't mean that we don't have volume. Being choppy means that we don't have direction. And those two things are not the same thing. Okay, it's probably you're gonna have a chop day when you don't have orders, because the market can decide the direction of the price, so you will chop around the level. But like, I can show you that. So wait. This is a nice, a very nice example. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. So. Habibi, I'd like to show a YouTube video, at least on the Discord. It's gonna be around like 30 seconds just to explain the concept. Is there a way that I can do it? I just change the source on Discord. What can I do? This is if we can have it, this is a nice 3-bar for the downside. This the start. It can be the start of the correction. Okay, just on Discord. Fine. Give me a sec. So guys, just to give you, so I'm gonna change the pum. Am I ready? Cambia streaming. Here. So guys, this is Bitcoin some years ago. And you see that top right, the price is 320. Leave me a 1 in the chat, because this is fucking important. Leave a 1 in the chat if you're listening and if you're paying attention. If not, I'm skipping this all of this and we're good. Okay, fine. I just need 5 people to listen out of 200, and to me it's valuable. So I'm gonna play the video. So we are trading, the price is 320, 322. This is the DOM. So for everyone who doesn't understand this, price top right, this is the chart. This is the DOM, is actually orders being traded. You got the bid, you got the ask, and for every ask, you got, of course, the volume of contracts that are traded. The shit that is about to happen is, I'm gonna say that to you. There is a guy that wants to sell a facton of Bitcoin at 300. What's the difference between Bitcoin and NQ? Bitcoin, okay, key moment. Sell started. Why we have this drop? Because each and every Bitcoin that was sold at a price above 300 was already sold. So what you see on the price, it's the same thing that you're gonna, when I say Bitcoin, you can change Bitcoin with NQ, with ES, with each and every asset that you would think about, that you can trade on. Yoda, like, listen to this and maybe you're getting value out of the first time you be here. Price now gets stuck at 300. You see that the volume is there. Can you see how many fucking Bitcoins and like a percentage of Bitcoins are being traded right now? The DOM is going crazy. Like on the order book, fuck ton of orders are being transacted right now. What is happening? That guy is selling so much shit, so many Bitcoins on that level, that price is slowly but steadily absorbing everything. You will see, this is not possible on NQ. So this kind of thing, you will see like it performing like that for fucking me. I'm going to fast forward it. Minutes. The chart is flat, fucking flat, and orders are coming so fast. Can you say that we don't have volume? No, we have a shit ton of volume. Look at the volume candles. We are transacting so many Bitcoins that it's not even funny, but the chart is flat. Volume and move are correlated, and like the range of the move are correlated, but are not the same thing. I can have a flat chart and have the biggest high volume node in the chart. Yoda, we're not talking about MNQ right now. Talking about the video I'm sharing. What happens at 300 is the by the way, as an example, this is the we can call it the display of a bear whale. When he finished these 4 minutes of the asset staying at 300, guys, again, yeah, I know that YouTube can see my screen. I know it. I know. I can do shit. I know. I don't want to change the VOD. I already said that. Yeah, I know. I can do shit right now. As soon as I was saying, as soon as the guy finishes his Bitcoins, what happens if no one is selling Bitcoins at 300 anymore? Like, you don't have enough Bitcoin? Price will skyrocket back at 325. That was almost the starting price. That's how a small market can be manipulated by just one big player. And this is a nice video just to understand how, again, volume is related to direction, to the range, to the size of the candle, but it is totally not the same thing. Totally not. Like, and this thing again, when you see a small candle, it doesn't mean that we don't have volume. We don't have direction. Like, price is not sure about what it's gonna do. Yes, for sure. Can I say that I'm still in this trade, by the way? Fuck it. Look, I got to work. Thank you for today. Man, I'm here every day. It's a pleasure for me. Quick YouTube live count, like count. I can see that. Paulina, baby, can you give me that number, please? I need to add bank somebody for sure. Like, for sure. Like, I need to I need to stop dropping sauce. Like, it's not worth it, my man. Like, people have been, Habibi, like, should I just start, like, having a silent stream, like, not even saying why I'm entering, why I'm exiting and shit, like, do it like if I was alone, like, just nodding in front of the camera, like saying yes, 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 and shit like that, or maybe just full port. Like, there are a lot of new shows and shit that guys are just full porting the shit and like showing like 3, 4, 5,000 in profit and the show is done. I should do shit like that. It's way easier, my man. NFA full port only. Yeah, that's right. That's fucking right. The disrespect. 5 cons London? No, we're gonna get the 150k, so I'm gonna do the 15 cons London. Not financial advice, for sure. For sure, not financial advice. YouTube, we need to double. Guys, we are 200 on the Discord. Like, give me this favor. Like, do me this favor. Pump that number. Like, we've been so good this week. We have more than 200 likes on each live streaming. I know that today is bank holiday, but it's not your holiday. You need to click that fucking button. You don't work in a bank. I'm sorry, you're not on vacation. Cannot click more than once, fratello. You can't film. Just log in from another device, from your wife, daughter, son's, cousin's phone, cousin's iPad, cousin's tablet, PC. Like, you can log in on YouTube also from your smart TV. And like, you don't make me do that. Don't make me do that. And don't click 2 times. Big brain. If you click 2 times, you're gonna delete the fucking like. Logging from you. Yes, exactly. Tomorrow, it's Independence Day, bacon. Not today. Today, you gotta leave a like. How many points we're ranging since the start of London, just to know, just to be aware of it? 43. Nice. Nice. Luca, will you celebrate the 4th with pineapple on pizza? Please. Like, there are 2 things that I don't understand on that message. First of all, why should I put pineapple? Like, why? The first one, why should I celebrate the 4th of July? And the second of all, please. Why, please? Like, you really want to see me having a pineapple pizza? Can I break the pasta in half? Yeah. Let's roll with the stereotypes. Let us know. Oh, yeah. Pauline, I was thinking you were asking me on the tube, like, where I was located. I was like, doesn't she know it? Oh my god, that view, like, that pizza is wrong at so many levels, like so many levels that you don't even you can't even understand. Neo, I'm in longs, and I didn't wanna, like, I'm in this long, but I don't even wanna be on it in it. I had an order set at 67 when price was reacting, and I was distracted by the chat and got pulled in on the resting order at 67. Like I wanted the break of 67 and you know, take the continuation. I was distracted and I was pulled in on this long, and it's only 5 micros and shit, but I'm not liking it, and I'm just holding it below. My stop is below the fibs, so below the Lama's fib. So that's it. That's simply it. And I will be okay with a break even or a stop loss. That was a user error, and that's fine. Not taking, like, contemplated trade, there's nothing in here. Like, actually nothing. After all this fuckery, after being in this 40-point range for the last hour, I want to see a clear distribution of orders on the upside or on the bottom side. What I can see on Bookmap, we have a huge level now at around 70. Same level that we had before at 67. I've screenshotted that and I sent that on the chat. This is the new level that has built at around 70. And if you look again, if you pay attention at Bookmap, you will see how orders and the tape will develop as price move and as price moves. I'm sorry. Freshly made, Luca. Heinz freshly made spaghetti. Delicious pasta with a juicy tomato sauce. Sure. Like, sure. I'm so tempted to dive into Bookmaps, but I'm hesitant. Why are you hesitant? Like you're not putting your life in on a Bookmap trade. So why being scared? Like, what's the point? Just not familiar enough. Haven't done my... Man, do it. Just research. Just get as much info as you can. Like, do your own researches. I'm gonna have something out for you guys, like talking about Bookmap and how, like, you know, explaining some of the basics and how you can incorporate Bookmap shit in your trading strategy. Because again, to me, Bookmap is not my main thing. Is a confluence. It's something that it's telling me, okay, we got traction. We got. This is the hourly candle. Let's see if we're gonna retrace back to bottom side and touching London low at 21. Yeah, let's see. So Bookmap is a huge help if you already know what to do. If you jump in Bookmap thinking, so look at that. If you jump at Bookmap thinking that just because you see a level, that level will be touched or mitigated or filled, however you want to say it. Look at this. So we had, there was around 30 contracts at 70. New hour opened. These are the orders at 70. Basically, this was the area in which the order were laying. Hourly open, price dumped, algos, traders, people that were putting orders here, they pulled them out, and actually this level is not red anymore on Bookmap. We have something building at 45 now, way above, like here, top of this candle. And on the bottom side, we got something at 20. And that's it. Luca, how do you tell on Bookmap that level might actually hold? Jacob, I gotta explain so much shit in order to like give you that answer. First of all, I am not 100% sure, and if someone is telling you just because I've seen this, I'm 100% sure that that thing is gonna happen, man is lying. Man is lying. He doesn't know it. Like, there's no way he knows it. I know for a fact that if I look left and what happened before, if I see a lot of orders, like where they're buying orders, where they're selling orders, what the price did after those orders were transacted. We had a huge buyer coming in and price jumped up, or that buyer was destroyed, was killed when he jumped in, and that's it. What's the like, you gotta look at the tape, and you will see a manipulation scandal and all of that. You will see trapped sellers, trapped buyers. It's like you're not telling me. Oh my god, the reaction now. You're not asking. It's a deep question, that one, Jacob. I know how to answer, but it's deep, my man. What up, everyone? What up on YouTube? Thank you, Patrick. I'm trying my best. Actually, trying my best. Like, Jacob, look for some keywords, look for absorption, and look for oh fuck, I'm lacking the word in English. Fuck you, Jacob. Fuck off. No, not helping him anymore. Fuck off. Spent 5. What the hell? He's smart enough. He's smart enough. He made more money than me on June. He doesn't need me. The fuck? Like, why don't you help me making money, man? The divergence is crazy, by the way. Yes, actually dive back down to London low. NQ is still there. NQ is still on that 43 points range. Yes, Jacob, I know for sure. It's just a larger concept to explain, and maybe you will understand me, but it's gonna be just a topic that you and a couple of guys will understand in the chat. I wanna get everyone involved and everything. So, and I know for one day, guys, as I was saying, one day I'm gonna push out something about bookmap and about, again, basic concepts and shit. I don't know when, and it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be for free for sure. So just wait. I wanna have clearance from the bosses and everything. We're gonna have like a 1 hour lesson, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, like whatever it's gonna take. 2 hours. I don't want to put a time limit on that thing. We're gonna just go over key concepts that you can find on the internet, but like on a structured way, and something that you can you look at and, like, you know, taking notes and shit. And yeah, this is a crazy ass reaction. Like after he has touched London low. full rejection out of the 60s. There is that huge MVG that Mastermind students like seeing. We're about to feel it. That's crazy. Instant feel after the reaction. Did we have huge buyers on bookmap? Not even that. Such a crazy price action today. Not worth. Yeah, that's it. That's the feel. Not worth like anything. Like I never touched bookmap. I was always trading clean PA, but I've seen some people actually making bookmap look like a miracle tool to tell if X level will order or not based on some stuff they see on the bookmap. Am I retarded when it comes to that? So that's why I asked. No, you're not retarded. You're not a special YouTube policy. You're not a special need kid. You're just not used to it. You're not experienced enough to see what they're seeing. And man, like when you approach for the first time bookmap without any filters on, any shit on, like perfect feel, another MVG, and now we're gonna feel that too probably. Am I looking at the same chart? Yeah, actually NQ and MNQ, that's the difference between the two assets. MNQ, this candle opened at 48 on MNQ. Candle on NQ opened at 43. I don't know if you guys can see that. And now we're fully retracing back. What ES is doing, full stick on the downside, retouching London low. Did we swept? Yeah, we swept IJI. Shaka, yeah, I mean, yes, but I don't think that we're gonna have something more today. Like we booked profits on the second one. We took a loss on the first one and a profit on the second one, and that's fine. Like I told you, I'm not gonna take anything on this range. Like it's another time. We talked about this this week and last week on the Discord during the live. When you see price around one of your key level, not going for the short, not going for the long, but actually giving you entry criteria, like it's giving you the 3 bar, it's giving you the 5-point continuation and then the pullback, just stay away. Just stay away from it. Because you're gonna enter like 3 times, 4 times, 5 times in a row with conviction. Like you got your confluences, you got your shit, and you're out. And just because you took one more trade today, you don't have an account on Monday to trade. That's stupid. And one more thing, I don't wanna close today in red or with something like having acknowledging the fact that I did something that I wasn't supposed to do, because that feeling will bear with me for the whole fucking weekend. The whole fucking weekend I will think about the fact that I took that trade when price action wasn't good and I was up 8 points. At 12 points I had my TP and it touched me, I took a full stop, then price come back again and I entered with less cons because I wanted to DCA, full stop again, and that's how you spiral down. And then there's the weekend, maybe you want to go to the sea with the seaside with your family and you're still thinking about that fucking trade, and no, why? Just if you took a loss today and you are $200 down, $300 down, even if you almost blew your account today and you only have $200 in drawdown, leave it there. Like approach the weekend not with that thought in your mind that you almost blew the account. Go in, like, approach the weekend thinking I saved my account. Like I wasn't disciplined before, but I did it. And you're gonna blow the account on Monday. I'm not gonna say that you're gonna save the account. You're gonna blow the account on Monday. But at least you are disciplined today, and you're building an habit, and you're building something that you don't do on a common day. You will be able to say, I stopped myself before taking that last step. Before stepping into the void, I just stared at it and contemplated. That's why hobbies are important. I do something else, forget about it. Yes, Pop Tank, of course, having something else to do than staring at the chart is like I actually advise people to take just one day for the week, like the Saturday. You know, in USA, like you got the Globex opening on 6 p.m. on Sunday, so I can see people. I can see why people are back at the chart on Friday, on Sunday. I'm sorry, but took the whole Saturday off. Like, what's the point of staring at a steady, not steady, at a frozen chart? How do you trade on a W and M pattern when price approaches where? Gonna answer to that in a bit, King. It's like not today, but not sure. Let's save it for tomorrow. Yes, yes. Perfect day to blow the account is on the last day before payout when you need a simple $200. Sure. Done it multiple times for multiple tens of thousands of dollars. Fuck. You're still going to pop it, but why spend all weekend beating yourself about it? That's it. Like, it's... If you gotta pop it, you're gonna pop it, but at least do it on Monday. What the fuck? Yeah, GB or JIV. I don't know what's the right pronunciation. It's what happens, and like this week, Monday, after 2 months, it happened to me. After 2 months and some days without tilting, without doing dumb shit, on Monday I fucking blew everything. Everything. And I was 1 day away, 2 days away from 20K in payouts. On February, I blew 40K in payouts for $350, one trade. So it's shit that will happen to you multiple times. And if you're lucky enough, you'll have bigger tilting days, because it means that you're trading more accounts, because it means that on a normal day you're making more money, but with more profits, more losses are inevitable. Look, I am 87 in the negative on my last day for payout. Man, if you can see something that you like, take it. $87 in drawdown is nothing. Being aware that today is not a proper day, and you know what? It's gonna change, MG. Like, if you request a payout today or on Monday, it doesn't make like it won't make a dent in your life, in your financial shit. If you rush to it, that's gonna sting, because you're not gonna get it, and missing that money that you don't need will sting more than postponing it. So just take your sign. Well, funny that at the end of the day we all went through the same. Yes, it's always the same shit, always. No, guys. Look, you take $250 to $350 on each trade. How you blow the accounts? I move my stop. I oversize. I DCA. I enter without confirmation. I enter without confirmation, trying to find my confirmation while I'm in a trade. I will look for things that look good and reasons why I'm in a trade, even if they are not, if there are not. I will get stopped out and instantly getting in the trade just because I don't want to be wrong. I will instantly reset the accounts when I blow them because I just want to trade, because I just want to make my money back. Guys, I'm human. I'm human. I'm just like you. I just don't tilt every fucking day. I tilt once in a while. I acknowledge it. I try to stop myself before my bank calls me. And that happened twice in 25 minutes in February. So don't think that people in front of the camera are some kind of a special breed or whatever. Went against your own rules, gotcha. Man, if you tilt, if you go on a tilt, it's because you're not respecting yourself. It's not respecting your rules, it's not respecting what you think, what you learned, what you're doing each and every day. Yo, Big Rob. What's good, my man? What are your tips and tricks to stop yourself before tilting? If you don't have good habits, man, it's impossible not to tilt. Because again, tilting is breaking your rules. Don't respect yourself and your rules. If you're not used to follow rules, if you're not used to being disciplined, you're not tilting. You're just behaving how you behave. Like if 4 out of 5 trading days I blow accounts, I can't say that I tilted 4 days in a row. I've been myself for 4 days, and on the 5th one I was lucky that the first trade went green and I didn't pop the accounts. So building a good habit, building some good discipline, and in order to have a good habit and a good discipline, you gotta have good rules. If you're not able to follow rules, man, like what are you doing in life? Not in trading. Again, trading is a magnifier. If I can't respect a rule that I'm putting in, like I'm writing those rules, it's not even someone else like that is telling me, you can't trade this. It's like me versus me. At the Rapid account on my 15 trade. Look, I blew 10 accounts yesterday. Did I go on tilt? Yes. Like, did you buy those 10 accounts in one day? Were those on the last, were those already in a heavy drawdown? Were you, like, okay with blowing those accounts? Where was the stop loss? Like how many questions do I have to ask? Vicky, look, at least one psychologist. She says, interesting, tilt is more about a hormonal cocktail, dopamine, adrenaline, and cortisol. Are all like, yes, and our brain isn't working. Yes. Yes. Yes, Vicky. Of course. It's the same shit that happens at the blackjack table when you're betting like $5, and because you lost, now you're betting 10. Now you're martingale your shit. That's why a gambler needs always something more. Like at the start, you're gonna start with $5. Then you get used to those $5 and you go up. It's because all those hormones, dopamine, adrenaline, epinephrine, everything, serotonin, all of that shit, it's pumping on our brain. It's like it's the same thing with drugs, guys. we get used to those things, and we just don't care anymore if it happens. That's why building a good habit is really fucking good. Because when like you just do this, and something else outside of your discipline happens, you already know that you're outside of one of your boundary. You will feel it. Like when you get, like I'm gonna ask you this, chat, when you get in a bad trade, when you get in a trade that you shouldn't be in, don't you have that feeling, maybe at the center of your chest, in your stomach, like in your head, that's telling you, why did I did that? Why? Look at this, why? I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret this in 5 minutes. I'm gonna regret this in 5 minutes, and I don't know how I'm gonna react. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take it or not. Why don't you listen to yourself? Like it's yourself, it's your mind, it's your thing that is telling you, man, you've done something that you weren't supposed to do. Funny thing, you're not able to close that trade. Because now you're there. Now you're already in. And taking a step back is like admitting that you were wrong. You were wrong 5 seconds ago. And anyone wants to be wrong. Julian from the YouTube, thank you for that reminder. I'm close to breaching an account. I just close it off and we'll save it for Monday. Yeah, that's what... blow it on Monday. I'm not gonna... again, I'm not saying... you're gonna be eligible for payout on or you're gonna pass the account on Monday. I'm not saying that. Most probably, again, you're gonna blow the account on Monday, but at least you're blowing it on Monday. At least you're not buying new evals today, because if you blow an account right now, most probably with the New York session still ahead, you're gonna buy something more, and you're gonna blow that shit today. Like, that's it. Use code BDM at least. This fucking price is not even doing anything. What the fuck do you want to trade? Like, what the fuck do you want to trade on this shit? Please. Please. We still have to fill this MVG. Like, what the fuck are we doing? Oh, Jacob, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Very, very nice. Like the color. DBO with 1,000 jewels on YouTube. My man. Big shout out to him, like, for the donation. Guys, each and every cent, penny, dirham that you donate from all over the world is going into the staff's pocket. They work completely for free. They work out of the tips. So, like, each and every little contribution that we have is oxygen. Thank you so much, DBO. Guys, I don't want to look at it. Abibi or Pauline, please. Can you tell me that we are well over 150 likes on YouTube? I missed a message from... Yeah, 3 accounts are in the green and 10 are in the red. My man, why and how are those accounts in the red? 132? Guys, we need to push that number. We need to push that number, and we need relatives. We need the cousins. We need the neighbors. We need from 150 to 200 likes on the YouTube, and we're gonna we're gonna start with the giveaways. We got an indicator and an account, a 50k account to give away. I wanna reach some kind of goal before giving it away. It's 132. I understand you, Pauline. I got you, Pauline. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Discord was bugging. Thank you, G57. Yeah, man, you're a VIP in here, and you're not leaving me a like, man. Why? Why? Let's see if finally we can distribute on the downside. Let's see. 155. Okay, let's run the indicator on the YouTube. Guys on Discord, join I'm telling that just for you. Join the YouTube link. Pauline just dropped it on. James, adopt the MOT tag. I see you that. I saw that you commented. If you don't have the MOT tag, even if you win the giveaway, you're not eligible for that. So just saving you, my man. Just adopt the MOT tag. YouTube, I'm gonna give you a code word. You're gonna type it, and the bot is gonna select one of you. I'm gonna type I'm gonna send the word to Pauline. YouTube, I'm waiting 10 seconds more, just to give you time to be ready. Again, I'm gonna give you a code word. You have to type it, and the bot is gonna choose the winner. Type it only once, please. YouTube, code word for today is chopped. CHOPPED, chopped. You gotta type it on YouTube, guys, not on Discord. On the YouTube. Neo, I can see that you don't have the MOT tag. Adopt the MOT tag. So close, but so far. Another touch on London low on yes. Now NQ is a little bit more bearish than before. Still not able to manage to climb up. King, I'm getting that to you. I'm waiting for the winner on. I can't give you like deep details, but I'm gonna give you some quick tips. Yeah, since I getting rejected, yes, like we don't have huge orders coming, so each and every time that we touch a key level, we're having a rejection out of it. On bookmap, we have the bigger level that I see on my screen is 31 with 13 cons, and yeah, and the other one is up above here on Okai. That's the other pool on liquidity that we have. Oh, thank you, Pauline. YouTube winner, giveaway winner, EJ1936, EJ1936. My man, join us on Discord. Discord, our Discord server is free. Adopt the MOT tag and just open a support ticket. Pom 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 pom. Likes on YouTube? What we are? Yannick, go ahead. What indicator did he win? So he won one of the indicators that we have. We have multiple indicators on our suite of indicators here in MOT. We got the advanced orb, we got the PHP, P2P, we got the quantum, we got Pacton, we got the range breaker, advanced orb. I don't know if I said it. We got what else? The MVG, and that's it, I think. Nick, what question do you have? Thank you, Adam. Thank you. Nick, if you ask me why am I gay, no, okay, should I just YOLO the funded? What kind of answer do you want me to give you, Nick? Like what kind of answer? Nice, Neo. So now if you win something, you actually can get it. YOLO short to 584. Like it's not a YOLO, man. It's a 300-point move. Like if I got a YOLO, I'm putting 5 cons for 20 points. Hi Kelly, how are you? How's the bro? How's your bro? How's your son? How many likes on YouTube, Pauline or Bibi? Sorry guys if I keep asking. Oh fuck, my lamp just decided to go crazy. Okay, fine. 181, that's fine, guys. We're gonna get the last 19. The last 19. I don't wanna dress them in any way with any adjective, but they know what they are. We're gonna get the last 19 likes with the last with the account giveaway. So. Yeah, they know what they are, Pop Tank. They know it. Gonna wait 5 more minutes. The price is still doing this shit. So, yes, has actually done what P2P wants to see. And now, let's see if we have the reversal. Same shit on, no, not same shit on NQ. This is, I'm waiting for it. Right now I'm at break even on this one, Pauline. If I hadn't like this entry at 67, was this one? Like, wait, let me look at well charts, because I don't even know when the order was triggered. The order was triggered at 9:35, so it's here on this candle. So I'm just waiting. I'm gonna tell you, like, if I close it before, like, I can close it right now and telling you that I'm positive for the day, but I'm not gonna say that to you. I'm just gonna wait. How can I find on Webshelter new dashboard my calendar? They changed the whole thing. So you're looking for the well tracker, right? Nick, give me an answer, my man. The fuck? Nick, where are you? Like the fastest thing that you can do, if you click top left on the three lines on top left, like next to the bar in which you put the ticker, and then inside the searching bar on the menu, you just look for well tracker, add it to your thing, and it should be there. No, it's not. Wait, it's not even that. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec, because I've seen that yesterday, and I'm not seeing that anymore. It's not watch list, it's not even that one, it's not even that one. Give me a sec, where I've seen that. I've seen that yesterday. And there is the little icon with the calendar. Yeah, bottom left, my man. There is the bottom left, there is well tracker. There is the little icon. Thank you, Roy. Yeah, I should read the chat more. There is a well tracker bottom left. Just click it, and you just have the well tracker page as you were used to have. Luca, first time tuning in, never up in the middle of my night, and I suggest you to just sleep, my man. I know that I'm losing one viewer and one VIP on my chat, but like, I want you to be at the top of your condition. Question, do you adjust P2P settings for London? No, I have my fibs. The fibs that you're seeing are a mixture, like you know P2P. So I have P2P levels on my chart, the white ones and the golden ones, the 786 and all the shit. But all the fibs that you see are my fibs that are calculated and set on a different thing. Is there a show in New York tomorrow? Tomorrow to me is Saturday, Madinho. So if you're telling like in 6 hours or whatever it is, 5 hours, yes, it's gonna be. Trader Sean, the difference is basically that those are two different strategies. The concepts are similar, but you know, execution, entry criteria, and you know, they have something in common, but they're not the same thing. If you are asking what do I prefer P2P. Without even a doubt. Pauline, you can mark today as a W anyway. No, for sure. I'm over the entry and shit. There's no way I'm crossing this in the red after all of that. Like, there's actually no way. Isn't that holiday tomorrow though? Yes, but tomorrow, man, it's Saturday. Again, the market would have been closed anyway. Watch a lot of Facebook. Just got into the Discord currently. Can do much as I'm currently deployed. So I'm learning all that I can in order to restart where I'm back. David, that's the shit. Get experience, get knowledge in, get free stuff in, get just listen to a poor Italian guy that is wasting his morning in front of the camera, and try to get each and every piece of advice that you can while you cannot trade, and you'll see. I was thinking both and both say base. Yes, Trader Sean, they are like, again, the core, you know, I don't want to say, I can't say too much, but the core, the ICT stuff and all that shit is there. Then you got different entry criteria, some confluences that are not there on the FlowX that are on the P2P. If you're looking only at the indicators without strategy and shit, I understand why you think or you might think that they are almost the same. G57, I have a open W today, Pauline. W for sure. I am positive on this trade too now. But also in the not wanted trade and the unwanted trade, I'm positive. So Luca to Dallas Blitz. I have an open conversation on that matter, and guys, in like, I hope. Part of me is hoping that I'm gonna be able to attend the Blitz event in Dallas. At the same time, like, I know that I gotta fly for, like, let's say, like, Catania to Dallas. How long it's gonna take me? Catania, Dallas. Volo. Estimated time. So Google is telling me at least 15 hours and 20 minutes of flight, and the event is only one day. So basically, I'm gonna be on a plane for 30 hours and 24 hours in at the event. We'll see. I want to do it. It's not a problem, but at the same time, it's like, time-wise, it's just bullshit. And yeah. Stay in Dallas for a week. Yeah, if like if the event was more than a day, I was like, okay. But full rejection. What we rejected on ES? Did we touch something? Bottom up from yesterday? Is that it? Yeah, but yeah, just full out rejection out of nowhere just because we're gonna eat the candle now and fill the MVG. Ugh. Double top on 15. Let's look at it. Yeah. I mean, it's the new 15 minutes, this one. Like on a normal day, it seems like an engulfment. Of course, it's you gotta wait for 12 minutes in order to see how this candle will perform. On a day like this, if you don't have the full rejection and the closure below the fib by this candle, I can see price turning back again and leaving a huge ass wick on this 15 and just skyrocket back up. Nasty PA, yeah. Also, yeah, I don't look at that fib, but yeah. 2 hours we didn't go anywhere. Yes, it's the 43 points, 43 points range or something like this. What is this? Let's. Is that 3 a.m.? Yeah. From here to here, it's 47 points in 84 minutes. From this bar, it's even more. It's almost 120 minutes. Yeah. Buonanotte G57. Buonanotte. Now 3 bar coming down again on the fib. Divergence between NQ and yes. Like some, yeah, I know. We're gonna run the giveaway. Some of the guys will look at this and call it SMT on all that shit, and yeah, I call it just divergence. Discord. Okay, I'm gonna run it quickly. Wait. How I'm gonna do it? I'm going to close this shit here. Close this shit here. Put this a little bit bigger. And bam. Pauline, give me a number. $22. 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Just T, no MOT tag. Give me another one. Tre, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Shaka. This is the account, Habibi.
Hey, what's up, Luca?
What's up, my man? How are you? Camera on if you can, just for the YouTube.
I don't have my webcam.
Well, that's fine. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
No, I'm fine, man. I'm great. End of the week, so just waiting for the weekend.
Yeah.
Tell us something, man. How was your day? How long have you been trading? Are you a student? I haven't seen, I haven't checked if you're a student or not. Tell us something about you.
I just joined the MOT chat recently. I saw you guys use the book map and stuff. I've been wanting to get more info on it, so I've joined a couple lives now.
Okay.
I've been
Starting
trading
next
maybe.
week, yeah, they are blaming on you. Yeah, webcam is a must. Okay,
I'm sorry, guys.
Get him, call him, tell him.
I'll get one. I'll get one.
Yeah. He's gonna get one. Come on. from your phone, banned from next week. Are we that? I mean, I'm okay with that, but yeah, I'm gonna give him the account. Like, I'm not taking any of my words back. Like, it's not gonna happen. Not on my watch. My man, just disregard mods and stuff. Tell me something about you.
All right, I've been trading maybe on and off 6 months. I just started locking in recently. Just trying to find a strat that works for me, trying to be more consistent. So I just get on every day now. Every day beginning of session, I try to hop on just to at least see how the market is moving. Yeah, I feel like I'm getting to.
Are you going? How long have you been trading before these 6 months? How long have you been following us? And what are you doing? Like, what strategy are you using? Is something that you've seen here, or maybe you've seen outside the MOT?
I'm trying to come on to the strategies I've seen here with Luca, and I mean with Max. But for the most part, before I was using a 8 TCM, like a EMA based strat, and it worked for me a little bit, but it's not too consistent. I don't like the win rate on it. So I started back testing a bit of what I've seen here. I had a 70% win rate. So I decided full time to I left every other server. So I'm just here now.
Okay, just to give you a quick tip, because I can already see what's gonna be one of your problems. Don't get stuck on the win rate of a strategy, or no, on the RR of a strategy. Look for your win rate, because maybe the strategy has got like an 85% win rate, but you're not able to execute it, and maybe it's not like a temporary issue. It's like I just need to get used to the strategy. Maybe the strategy is not fitting you, and you don't fit the strategy. There's something that you're not able. Maybe you're not a scalper and you're trying to scalp. Maybe you're one of the guy that can hold like for hours and hours on a trade, and like scalping is not your shit, or maybe the opposite. So try things. Of course, if you are able, and if you are that type of guy, paper trade, back test, all that shit. Get your confidence, get your win rate again, get your stats on the strategy, and don't focus only on what the other guys are saying. Like in London, for like 4 weeks, I had 92% win rate. Is it something replicable? Is it something that someone can do? Is it something that if I was trying to replicate, no, probably not. So get your stats.
Okay, understood. Yeah.
And what are you trading right now? Like what? I heard you that you wanna use bookmap, but like, are you taking again scalps? Are you looking for continuation trades, reversals?
So that's the thing. I used to scalp a lot. That's how I learned, and I'm recently trying to make a shift to continuations and like MMXM, and just put trades and leave them. So I guess it's a bit rocky, just like getting used to the new environment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like having Usain Bolt and telling him, you've been running the 100 meters for all of your career. Tomorrow we have a marathon, and man, you have to win it, because the payout is like winning the race. So again, that's what I was saying before. Each and every strategy can have the best win rate, the best RR, the best blah blah blah. But if you're not able to execute it, you're done. You're done. So first of all, get data, your data, and then try to replicate your performance on a fucking prop firm account. You're gonna see that your performance on paper and on the account will be different.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
You're the same. Yeah, you are the same person. The strategy is the same. The price action might be the same. Your mindset won't be the same, just because you know that you got some money on the line now. Take every step Second of all, get a cam, says Pauline. And yeah, he's gonna get a cam.
I will. I'll get one.
Come on. Come on.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. And yeah, man. Have a nice weekend. Are you green or red for the day? Have you
Today-
traded? You took.
Yeah. Green from Asia. I'm kind of scared to trade this PA.
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm scared too, man. Like scared is not the right word. Like I got no
Yeah.
confidence on.
Yeah.
trading
I'm
it.
wary of it. It doesn't look too good.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, super can open for him.
Thank you, Paul.
Yeah,
I'll get it.
yeah. Pauline already has already done the work.
Okay,
Man, thank you
man.
for coming up and
Yes, sir. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Have
See
a
ya.
great weekend. See you.
bye bye.
Bye.
Guys, like he didn't have a cam and whatever, but he seemed nice, didn't he? Like he seemed nice guy. I get my cam now. Yeah. Well, he's also a new user. He has got the little green heart in next to the name. Yes. Like really quickly before I need to wrap this shit up. So let's get an M. Let's answer this. So look at this one. Bam. King. No more question. Just the last one. Can you see this one? King, you gotta be on point now. We're rushing. King, yes, nice. So you understand that this is a W. On a W, you will have multiple key points. Bang, this line here and this line here. You're gonna wait to see if these lines, if you got some kind of reaction around this line. You don't wanna jump in the fucking impulse candle. If you jump here, you're fucked. If you jump here, you're fucked. Understand me. It's not gonna play out like this every time. You're gonna have shit like this. Oh, look at the nice W. I'm fucked. You wait for some kind of confirmation, maybe a pullback and a reaction on a key level. This is the other one. Again, this is the neckline. This is the full extension. If at the full extension you have some kind of candlestick formation that can tell you that price will jump even higher, you can target higher targets. On a V shape M, you can do all this shit and reverse it. An M, look at this one. It's not that good. Can I? Bam. Neckline, reaction point, full move. Where you gonna jump? You take targets on the upside. If you have targets on the upside, key levels, I'm targeting that. If not, I'm targeting past highs or past lows. M shape, the same thing on the opposite side. And for the V shape, we talked about this a lot, like a lot. Let me find a good one. This is another W, and you see neck, reaction point, 3-bar, continuation. Bust high, yes. That was a bust high. What the fuck? Let me see if we have a nice V shape. Yeah, look at this one. It's a V shape on the 5 minute. It's yeah. V shape. You want to see that the price will retrace to the top like. No, I can't. I can't explain shit more. So you want to see price coming back to the last seller that originated the move. This is the bounce. You want to have at least for a good fucking shit, a 50% correction of the move up. So this was my move up. This is the 50% correction. I'm looking for a buy between 50% and 80% of the correction, targeting the top of the V shape or higher levels. And that's all for today. As NQ is driving back down and he has just lost London low. Guys, it's all. Thank you for being with me for the whole week. It's the first week on YouTube. I want to give a special thank to the mods, Pauline, Kyle, and Athena, who I've seen coming here almost every day. Big shout out to Abibi, that it's producing all this shit on all the platforms. And like I can chill and don't look at anything because he's with me. And of course, if you have any issues, it's because of Abibi. Like he's the main cause. So if we have some kind of tech shit or whatever, you know what, like who is responsible for that. It was really good for me. I hope that, as I said, everyone stay safe. Guys, big fucking discount on the MOT website for tomorrow only. It's gonna be the biggest of the year. Like Jake from the marketing has like told us like multiple times. Tell the guys, tell the audience that it's gonna be the biggest one for the year. So if they are interested of buying something, just tell them to buy something now, because we're not gonna be able to do blah 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 blah. So guys, if you wanna just save some money, take in consideration to just gift you this the course, gift you the indicator for the month. It only works on updates. So if you already have the indicator, like the weekly one, you can update to the monthly one with a 40%, 40% discount. Guys, of course, if you check out the website, courses, indicators, 101 and all that shit, we're gonna have morning show and trading wheels today, but not happy, no power hour, no happy hour, of course. We're gonna come back on Sunday with coach, I think, with happy hour. We're gonna see each other on Monday. It's gonna be for the new week. It has been awesome for me. Yeah, that's all. Habibi, drop it.
Midnight on the river, the lights are counting down. Every shadow's running a game. A handshake in the boardroom, a fortune turning round. Nobody here is playing it safe. I watched the high rollers rise and then fall, felt the city swallow them whole, lose it all. London gold, burning through the dark. Take the fear, baby, ride it for the spark. We live on the edge of a blade tonight. When the world all lose the light, London gold. A diamond in the data, a secret in the smoke. The bell rings like a loaded gun. You buy it when they're bleeding. You vanish when they choke. Long gone before the morning comes. I've seen the way the whole game can turn. Some of us rise, baby, some of us burn. London gold, burning through the dark. Take the fear, baby, ride it for the spark. We live on the edge of a blade tonight. Win the world or lose the light. London gold. No such thing as easy. No such thing as free. Every crown in this town cost a king's ransom. London gold, rising through the night. One more move and we own the light. London gold.